Hi guys, welcome to my channel Roots for Software Engineer. In this video, I will discuss about variables concept. Okay, now without late, let us start. Okay, now yesterday we discussed about the introduction part of our Typescript, and today we'll go with here another concept called it as variables. Okay, and in the variables, okay, at first we can say as definition, that is nothing but, okay, now variable is a container. Okay, now variable is a container or memorable block. Okay, now memory block, and which is used memory block which is used memory block which is used to store which is used to store and value. Okay, which is used to store a value. Okay, next four variables. Okay, now we need to use keywords like var. Okay, now let and const. Okay, next we can see another thing, call it as syntaxes. Okay, how to do that one? Variable rules for the variables. Okay, now variable should accept. Okay, variable, let me write here. Okay, now variable should accept. Okay, variable should accept. Okay, now accept capital A to Z, and next small a to Z. Okay, small a to Z, next 0 to 9, next as well as underscore, dollar and underscore. Okay, now next another thing. Okay, now variable name. Okay, now here we can say as variable name. Okay, and variable name should not start with, okay, should not start with digits. Okay, should not start with the digits, means numbers. We can say as numbers. Should not start with digits or numbers, we can say. Okay, numbers means 0 to 9. It will not start with this number. Okay, next syntax we'll discuss. Okay, now syntax is nothing but, first we need to use var, let or const keyword. Next later on we need to go with the variable name. Okay, now variable name, and variable name data type we need to take. Variable name data type equals to the value. Okay, now this is the syntax related to variable. Okay, next in this one, suppose if you want, I can say as data types. Okay, now typescript will allow, okay, will allows some data types. Okay, now what is the data types we'll do here? First one we can say as number data type, and second one we can say as a string data type. Let me write a string data type. Next another thing is nothing but the boolean we can say. Next thing is nothing but tuple. Okay, we can say as any data type also. Next another thing, any we can say. Next array also we can say. Okay, now array is a data type. Next another thing, object we can say. Okay, now what is it? Object we can see. And next any other things. Okay, that's it. Okay, Now these all are what is that data types which we can use for the variables. Okay, and each and everything we'll see one by one in the next video. Means we'll do programs related to the variables as well as this data types combination. Okay, now come to in next video, come to next video to see the practical examples related to this one. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.